Hey everyone!
Hello, welcome back to the channel. So, we hope you've enjoyed all of the Christmas countdown videos so far, the majority of which have been about reading. We just wanted to let you know that the next few, including this video, are going to be all about maths and how to solve maths problems using the strategies and methods that children will be taught at school. We hope you find some value in it. There's going to be problems about addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and then a series on fractions. So, hope you enjoy the videos, and we'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching.
Keep watching. Bye, guys.
Hey everyone, welcome to day 7 of our Christmas countdown, and this is going to be the first video in the range of maths videos that we're going to be doing during this countdown time. So today we're going to be looking at column addition, and we will be going through the 4 operations in our countdown. So this question's been taken from an actual SATs paper, from a Key Stage 2 SATs paper, and we're looking at column addition. And this box here has been left blank, and it's been put at the beginning. I don't know if that's in a way to confuse the children or what, but all that means is this equals this. So we're going to start with our addition, and I would always say to start with the larger number at the top, and then using my knowledge of place value, I will put the numbers in the correct place underneath. So I'm going to do my addition. So I'm going to start on the right. So 8 add 7 gives me 15. So I put down my 5 and I carry my 1. 1 add 0 and 1 is going to be 2. 8 add 7 again is going to be 15. 1 add 1 is going to be 2. And I need to remember to put my comma in to show that's thousands. So my answer would be 2,525. I've got some more questions here if you would like to have a practice, and we'll put the answers in the box underneath. Thanks for watching.